1. Earmark EARMARK. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to designate or set aside for a particular purpose. Example sentence, the funds were earmarked for the construction of a new school building. Synonyms, allocate, designate, reserve. Antonym, undesignate. 2. Earn EARN. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to receive payment or obtain money through work or effort. Example sentence, she worked hard to earn a promotion at her job. Synonyms, gain, acquire, achieve. Antonym, lose. 3. Earthly EARTHLY. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, relating to or existing on the earth, mundane or worldly. Example sentence, his earthly possessions were of little importance to him compared to spiritual fulfillment. Synonyms, mundane, terrestrial, worldly. Antonym, heavenly. 4. Earthy EARTHY. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, characterized by a down-to-earth, unrefined, or natural quality. Example sentence, the chef's cooking had an earthy flavor, using fresh herbs and spices. Synonyms, rustic, unpretentious, natural. Antonym, refined. 5. EBBB. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to recede or diminish, to decline or weaken. Example sentence, the waves began to ebb, revealing the seashells on the shore. Synonyms, subside, wane, decline. Antonym, flow, surge, increase. 6. Ebullient EBULLIENT. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, enthusiastic, lively, and full of energy. Example sentence, she was in an ebullient mood after receiving good news. Synonyms, exuberant, buoyant, cheerful. Antonym, gloomy, subdued. 7. Eccentric ECCENTRIC. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, unconventional, peculiar, or eccentric in behavior or appearance. Example sentence, the artist had an eccentric sense of style, often wearing mismatched clothes. Synonyms, quirky, peculiar, unconventional. Antonym, conventional, ordinary. 8. Eccentricity ECCENTRICITY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, unusual or peculiar behavior or quality. Example sentence, her eccentricity made her stand out among her peers. Synonyms, quirk, peculiarity, oddity. Antonym, normality, conventionality. 9. Ecclesiastic ECCLESIASTIC. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a member of the clergy or a religious official. Example sentence, the ecclesiastic delivered an inspiring sermon at the church. Synonyms, clergyman, pastor, priest. Antonym, layperson, secular. Copyright, Cogent Insights. 10. Eclectic ECLECTIC. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, selecting or choosing from various sources or styles, diverse or broad-ranging. Example sentence, her eclectic taste in music ranged from classical to hip-hop. Synonyms, varied, diverse, broad. Antonym, uniform, homogeneous. 11. Eclipse ECLIPSE. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning. Noun, the obscuring of one celestial body by another, a loss of significance or prominence. Verb, to overshadow or surpass in importance, fame, or reputation. Example sentence: during the solar eclipse, the moon passes between the sun and the earth. Synonyms: noun, obscuration, overshadowing. Verb, surpass, outshine. Antonym, highlight, prominence. 12. Ecliptic ECLIPTIC. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the plane of the Earth's orbit around the Sun, which is the apparent path of the Sun in the sky. Example sentence: the constellations lie along the ecliptic, as viewed from Earth. Synonyms: orbit, celestial path. Antonym, not applicable, no direct antonym. 13. Ecologist ECOLOGIST. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a scientist or expert who studies the relationships between organisms and their environment. Example sentence: the ecologist conducted research on the impact of pollution on local ecosystems. Synonyms: environmentalist, biologist, naturalist. Antonym, polluter, environmental destructor. 14. Economy ECONOMY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the system or management of resources and production in a society, frugality or efficiency in the use of resources. Example sentence: the country's economy grew steadily over the past decade. Synonyms: financial system, thrift, efficiency. Antonym, extravagance, wastefulness. 15. Ecosystem ECOSYSTEM. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a community of living organisms in conjunction with their physical environment, interacting as a system. Example sentence: the coral reef is a diverse and fragile ecosystem that supports a wide variety of marine life. Synonyms: environment, habitat, biosphere. Antonym, barren landscape, lifelessness.